Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of the weekly tech update. Kirby Tech Box here. Hope you all are doing good, and let's begin with the first update of this episode. Like Samsung, Vivo did enter the folding phone category with their X Fold around April this year, and the successor to that has just been certified on TINA, a Chinese certification site, and the upcoming Fold is named as Vivo X Fold Plus. The physical appearance to be almost the same as the predecessor as per the leaked images. But the new X Fold will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC along with a 6.53-inch AMOLED cover screen with an FHD plus 1080p resolution. The unfolded display is 8.03-inch tablet size. Both screens will have a 120Hz refresh rate. The Vivo Fold features a 50MP sensor primary camera, a 48MP ultrawide sensor, and 8MP sensor for a periscope camera, and a 12MP sensor for a portrait camera. The front selfie camera is said to feature a 16 or a 32MP sensor. Phone will be powered by the same 4600 mAh battery, same as the predecessor. And as for availability, this time around it should get a global launch. Next update we have is from chipmaker Snapdragon itself. The upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 should announce at the Snapdragon Tech Summit in November. According to the leak info, there will be an ultra high frequency version of the chip with CPU clock speed of up to 3.4 to 3.5 GHz. The current Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that was introduced recently has a clock speed of up to 3.2 GHz. We should also see an improvement in the GPU section too, which should bring closer to the Apple's A series chip. The CPU is said to come in 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 4 cluster architecture compared to 1 plus 3 plus 4 tri-cluster architecture with TSMC's 4nm process technology. The chip could use 1X Creo Prime CPU, ARM Cortex-X3 base, 2X Creo Performance CPU A720 base, 2X Creo Performance CPU A710 base, and 3X Creo Efficiency CPUs A510 base with Adreno 740 GPU. Early adoption of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is rumored to be from Xiaomi Mi 13 series, Redmi K60 series, iQOO 11 series, and the Vivo X90 series. Third update we have is from Xiaomi. Their upcoming smartphone has been surfaced online, the Xiaomi 12T Pro and the 12T. The main feature of the 12T Pro will be the 200MP main camera, which will probably be the Samsung HP1 sensor paired with an 8MP ultrawide camera and a 2MP macro sensor, and plus a 20MP camera up front. The phone is said to be made of plastic, or you can say polycarbonate. The 12T Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 256GB UFS storage. It should come with a 6.67-inch 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a punch hole at the center. It also features a large 5000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging supports. And coming to the Xiaomi 12T, the phone physical design is similar to the 12T Pro with same screen size and resolution. The differences will be in the internal components. The Xiaomi 12T will come with MediaTek's Dimensity 8100 SoC. It will feature a 108MP camera sensor, and 8MP ultrawide sensor, a 2MP macro sensor, and a 20MP selfie camera are housed in the rectangular camera module. And that's all for today's episode, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next one.